to statistics from the United Nations Development Program, UNDP, the Igbo people are ranked first in sub-Saharan Africa and fourth in the whole of Africa based on Human Development Index, that is the HDI, and the Multidimensional Poverty Index, which is the MPI. Yes, my dear people, what this means is not just about money or wealth. It is about the overall quality of life and the level of development of a people. The Human Development Index, that is the HDI, measures how well people are doing in key areas of life. It looks at things like education, how many people are educated and how far they go in school, health and life expectancy, how long and how well people live, and standards of living, income level, and general comfort of life. On the other hand, the Multidimensional Poverty Index, that is the MPI, looks at poverty in a broader and more realistic way. It does not focus only on money. Instead, it examines whether people have access to basic needs such as education, healthcare, decent housing, electricity, and clean water. This is where we see the visible progress in many Igbo communities. Our homes, infrastructure, and living conditions are steadily improving. Truly, our development is showing, and we must continue to build even more. So, we have a vast number of lands in Teje, Obusi of Ogechona, Bia, Aba, Gechona, Enugu. Reach out to me. We need more development in our Igbo. Bring in your structure. Maybe you want to set up a company, any industry. Reach out to me. We have a vast number of lands in these areas I just mentioned. So when Igbos are ranked this highly using these global measurements, it simply means that as a people, we are among the most developed, progressive, and fast-moving groups in Africa. A large number of Igbo are educated, hardworking, and actively engaged in business and economic activities. Many of our communities enjoy relatively better living standards. And when poverty is measured across different areas of lives, it tends to be lower among us. Yeah. In simple terms, this ranking shows that Igbo are doing well overall, not just in business, but also in education, resilience, survival, and quality of life. This level of progress did not just happen by accident. It is the result of our strong cultural belief in education, our deep spirit of hard work and entrepreneurship, our community support system, and our ability to adapt and succeed anywhere in the world. So whenever you hear about this ranking, understand what it truly represents. It is a global recognition of strength, resilience, and steady progress of the Igbo people. In the Igbo, we have done well, but we can do better, even better. The goal is not just to be among the best, but to be number one everywhere. Let us keep pushing forward. Umunim, umugadi. Don't miss out. Register your kids in our Igbo and mathematics classes today. If your kids don't know how to speak Igbo or solve maths, bring them into my academy. You won't regret it.